To close.
关上。
Expensive.
贵。
Country.
国。
Country, nation.
国家。
Foreign.
国外。
Indicating a past experience action which hasn't lasted to the present.
过。
Fairly, rather, also, still.
还。
Or had better.
还是。
And also.
还有。
Child, kid.
孩子。
Chinese language.
汉语。
Chinese character.
汉字。
Good, fine.
好。
Delicious, yummy.
好吃。
Good looking.
好看。
To listen.
好听。
Fun.
好玩儿。
Number for date of month.
号。
To drink.
喝。
And, with.
和。
Very, quite.
很。
Behind, after.
后。
Behind.
后边。
Day after tomorrow.
后天。
Flower.
花。
Words.
画。
Broken, ruined.
坏。
To pay back, to return.
还。
To return, to come back, to go back.
回。
To answer.
回答。
Back to.
回到。
Come back home.
回家。
To come back.
回来。
To go back.
回去。
Can. To be able to. Meeting.
会。
Train.
火车。
Airport.
机场。
Air tickets.
机票。
Hen's egg.
鸡蛋。
How many, several.
几。
To remember, to take notes.
记。
To remember.
记得。
To remember.
记住。
Home, family.
家。
Home.
家里。
Family.
家人。
Measure word used for smallest units of housing, such as rooms, spaces, etc.
间。
To see.
见。
To meet.
见面。
To teach.
叫。
To call, to be called.
叫。
Teaching building.
教学楼。
Elder sister.
姐姐。
To introduce, introduction. To recommend, recommendation.
介绍。
This year.
今年。
Today.
今天。
To enter, to come, go in.
进，
Come in.
进来，
To enter.
进去，
9.
9，
Just.
就，
To think, to feel.
觉得，
To drive, to open.
开，
To drive a car.
开车，
To have a meeting.
开会，
To be kidding.
开玩笑，
To watch, to look at, to read.
看，
To see a doctor.
看病，
To see.
看到，
To see.
看见，
To test.
考，
Test, exam.
考试，
Thirsty.
渴，
Class, lesson.
课，
Textbook.
课本，
Text.
课文，
Mouth, mouthful.
口，
A unit of money, same as yuan.
快，
Quick, fast.
快，
To come.
来，
To come to.
来到，
Old.
老，
Old man.
老人，
Teacher.
老师，
Used at the end of or in the middle of a sentence to indicate a change or a new circumstance.
了，
Tired.
累，
Cold.
冷，
In, inner, inside, interior.
里，
Inside.
里边，
2.
两，
0.
零，
6.
六，
Building, floor.
楼，
Upstairs.
楼上，
Downstairs.
楼下，
Road, path, way.
路，
Intersection.
路口，
On the road.
路上，
Mother.
妈妈，
Road.
马路，
Immediately. At once.
马上，
Used at the end of a question.
骂，
To buy. To purchase.
买，
Slow.
慢，
Busy.
忙，
Hair, fur.
毛，
Not.
没，
That's okay. It doesn't matter.
没关系，
It's nothing.
没什么，
It's okay.
没事儿，
There is not. No, not.
没有，
Younger sister.
妹妹，妹，
door, gate,
门
doorway,
门口
tickets.
门票
Used after a personal pronoun or a noun to show plural number.
焖
Cooked rice,
米饭
bread,
面包
noodles,
面条儿
name,
名字
clear,
明白
next year,
明年
tomorrow,
明天
to take, to fetch,
拿
which.
哪
That's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please boop that like button and stay tuned for part 3 of our new HSK series.